Welcome back to the Makeforms tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to explore the quiz feature in Makeforms. Quizzes turn a regular form into an interactive assessment. You get full control over how answers are evaluated and how results are displayed. Whether it's a school test, employee training, or a knowledge check, everything can be managed within a single form. We've already created our quiz form. In this video, we'll focus only on configuring the quiz logic. In this quiz, we've combined multiple field types, including input fields, number validation, drop-down selections, image choices, multi-select questions, date pickers, and time pickers, so it feels more dynamic and interesting. Now let's configure the quiz logic. Go to Form Settings and enable the quiz option. Once enabled, you'll see a new quiz window where all your questions appear on the left side. Let's configure them one by one. For the question, who discovered the law of gravity? The correct answer is Isaac Newton. In the input field, you can enter multiple acceptable answers such as Isaac Newton, Newton, Sir Isaac Newton. Now let's go through the available options one by one. At the top right, you'll see Exclude in scoring. If this is turned on, the question will not be included in the final score. Below that, you'll find Enable Custom Score for this question. When turned on, this allows you to define your own scoring instead of using the default system scoring. Once custom scoring is enabled, two fields appear. Right answer score is the number of marks awarded when the user answers correctly. Wrong answer score is the number of marks applied when the user answers incorrectly. You can keep this at 0 for no penalty, or enter a negative value if you want to deduct marks for wrong answers. Next, you'll see the option Disable Case Sensitivity. If this is enabled, the system ignores differences between capital and small letters. If it is disabled, the answer must match the exact letter case. Next, for what is the square root of 144? Enter 12 as the correct answer. You can enable custom scoring if you want higher marks for this question. Set the right answer score to 3 and keep the wrong answer score at 0. For the renewable energy question, the correct answers are solar, wind, hydropower, geothermal. Since multi-select is already enabled for this dropdown, each option will be evaluated separately. In our case, we are assigning +1 for every correct selection and -1 for every incorrect selection. This means if a user selects a correct renewable energy source, they earn 1 point. If they select a wrong option, like coal or natural gas, 1 point will be deducted. For what is 25% of 320, select 80 as the correct option. Enable custom score for this question. Set the right answer score to 2 and the wrong answer score to -1. For which image represents the planet Saturn, select the Saturn image as the correct answer. The other images will automatically be treated as incorrect. Then enable custom score, assign 5 points for a correct answer, and keep the wrong answer score at 0 so there is no negative marking. For the continents question, select Africa, Europe, Asia, and Antarctica as the correct options. Enable custom score for this question. Set the right answer score to 1 and the wrong answer score to -1. For the moon landing question, enter July 20th, 1969 as the correct date. Then enable Exclude in scoring. This means the user can answer the question, but it will not affect the final score. For what time is 90 minutes after 14 o'clock? The correct answer is 15 hours and 30 minutes. Keep the scoring set to the default values, and then click Save and Exit. Now go to the thank you screen. First, delete the default thank you message, and then add the score field. Once added, open the field settings on the right. First, you'll see Show Chart. When enabled, this displays a visual score chart at the top. Users will see a circular progress style indicator showing their score. After configuring this, test the form to see how the score appears. Submit the quiz with a mix of correct and incorrect answers. Check that the score is calculated correctly, negative marking works as configured, and the chart reflects the final result properly. Using the Score Displaying Type dropdown, you can control how the result appears to the user. Since we are already using Show Point, the score will be displayed in points. You can also switch it to Percentage, which converts the total score into a percentage. Another option is Grade, where the result is shown as a grade based on the ranges you define in the quiz settings. For example, 50 and above, good, 70 and above, great, 80 and above, excellent. When grading is enabled, users will see their grade instead of just the numeric score. Finally, you'll see Review Answer. When enabled, users will see a Review Answers button. Clicking it allows them to see which questions were correct and which were incorrect. There is one more important option in the overall quiz settings, which is the Show Score toggle. This shows how many marks the user earned for that specific question based on the scoring rules you configured. If the answer is correct, the assigned marks are displayed. If there is negative marking and the answer is wrong, the deducted marks will appear here. This gives a clear breakdown of how the final score was calculated for each question. That's how you configure and manage quizzes in Makeforms. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.